Let me speak now.
Yeah, speak.
Depression.
You are talking about conversion, then it's all about.
Listen.
You are only separating the thing, and it's not like that.
In school life, we don't have any type of pressure in our head that we have to grow in our career. We have to take. We have to do job.
But they are
one of the
it is not in school now.
But they are the students of the school.
College students, they are doing in the college.
No, they are doing also in the college.
No, it is not like that. They are doing in college.
Because this time we are mature.
Oh my God, on the name of mature, we can do anything.
So, in this fine morning, no, I'm not asking good morning, okay, I'm just saying this fine morning, we are going to start an incredible date. It means we are going to talk about our past and present. That's good, all right. Okay, so past and present means, okay, as we are students, I'm not in that group by the way. These guys are students and some of them go to, every one of them go to college, right? But everyone went to schools also, right? And if you talk about school and college life, both have their own flavor, both of them have their own plus and minus. It means pros and cons are there, advantages and disadvantages are there in colleges as well and in schools as well. So these guys are going to make you understand which one is better. College life is better or school life is better. Excuse me, connect, okay? What is better? School life is better or college life is better? This is they are going to make you understand. So as school gives, you know, base, right? School makes our knee, right? Yeah. But college gives us building. No? Yes. Right? So both are important, but we need to decide, we need to know actually which one is more important for our life, college life or school life. So you are just, you know, public, right?
Yeah.
And these guys are in panels. She is in the panel, she is in the panel, she is in the panel, he is in the panel, he is in the panel and he is in the panel, right? So in this panel debate, okay, you have all rights reserved, okay, to prove your points, right? Collar पकड़ने के अलावा सब चीज बोल सकते हैं. That is very, you know, allowed, okay? So but don't go too personal. Don't talk any religious thing, don't talk any political things because these are very sensitive topics, okay, and we do not want to go into that. But point prove करने में हम कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ेंगे, right? Galib, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so you belong to school.
Yeah.
School life.
Yeah.
College life.
College life.
Oh, you like college life?
I like school life also, but
okay,
it's better college life.
Alright, so I need to open the debate, okay? But before this, I want to tell you, my viewers, as you always shower a lot of love, abundance of love on my every video. So this video also needs to be given the same respect. So like the video right now because this is going to be a very new experience for you. And do not skip the video until it gets last, okay? Watch until the end, okay? You're going to get great experience and you will come to know many things about school life versus college life, right? So it's open for you now.
Okay, college life, there are many factors. Firstly, I'm telling of one of the most important factor, that is independency. In life we got independency, we need independency, and in college life there is a system of independency. We can make our own choices, we can make our own subject, and we can do our own battles.
Okay, so you love independence in the college, but I take that as indiscipline. Okay, now I want to talk to the people who love to talk about school life. You tell me. Yeah.
Hi viewers, I am Kumar Suraj and today I defend school life. Sir, according to me, in school life we are playing Chor Police, Raja Sipahi, but in college we are playing the feelings of others.
Okay, so you want to be a child all the time. Mubarak ho, viewers, you find a child in the body of man, okay? All right, okay? Yeah, that's fine, okay? You belong to school life, right? Who is college life? Okay, you college life. Tell me, what do you think about it?
As he said, like games, like we don't need every time games to play games. In college life, we get career opportunities and so many things, exposure for everything. So it's everything is not taken as emotionally. Sometimes we have to think practically. So
Practically,
college life is
very good, great points. Okay, she is telling sometimes you must think about, we must be practical, right? And but in school life, as per her point, school life is a bacha wala life. There is no, what should I say?
He's talking about games like Chor Police, Raja Police, everything. But in college life, we also play games. But we play mature games like cricket, football that has a career. But Raja Chor Police that has not career.
Very beautiful point. Yes. What is your answer here? Yeah,
I'm talking about Raja Police, Chor Police, but I'm talking about that thing in college life. You are playing with the feelings of others. That is my point.
that is
Okay,
very wrong, yeah.
So, and if you talk about sports starts from school life. In childhood, we are playing cricket, hockey, tournament, and we are going. It means if you talk
get
about,
exposure, right?
we select the person under 18, under 16, not player selected after 18 and 22. Okay.
Okay, wow, what a nice answer. Okay, it means what in the when you are a child, that time all the values are inculcated, okay, into you in the school. That is not in the college. Okay, what are you today because of your school? He wants to say that. What is your statement? Tell me, please.
I think that school life is the best because in schools we have a lot of activities. We participate in many types of activities, and it helps children to develop more. Right. So I think school life is the best.
Okay, all right. So first round is over actually. Mr. Kaushik is here. You tell me what is your point.
I think school life is best because in the school life it is foundation of our life. In school life, our career is started from the school life. Okay. In the school, we have to learn discipline. We are able to do anything, but we are doing in a rule and regulation. But in college life, there is no any rule and regulation. If there is rule and regulation, they are like to break the rule. They don't want to follow.
But you said ki everything is learned from the childhood stage. Okay, you learn it in the school and you break the laws in the college. It means whatever you are learning wrong or right, that is in the school. So school is responsible for this. What do you want to say here?
No, in the school we have to follow, but whenever we join the college, we think that in the school we have taught in the wrong process.
Right. It means we are learning in the college. You want to say that. So viewers, what do you think? You must try the comments. Okay. All right. You want to reply? Please tell me.
Yeah, as he said. So I think that in college we have some rule regulation and we are following that. But in college we don't have any rule regulation, and we think we are very mature, so we can do whatever we want to do in college. And even we don't respect teacher as well. So it is not good thing in college.
So what is your answer here? In school you are spoon-feeded, right? You are spoon-feeded in the school. You are not able to take the decision, right? And if you are not able to take the decision, how will you improve yourself? Do you have an answer for this?
Yeah, in childhood, I accept this thing. We are not able to take decision, but in school we are we attract from our teachers, from our elders, and we take decision from them, and they suggest us, and we think about that, and we do what we want.
Viewers, it means that conclusion is that school life में बच्चे खुद का decision नहीं ले पाते हैं. They accept it.
As you said, there is a system of a school feeding in the school.
Spoon feeding,
yeah. And you are closely monitored by the teachers and your parents all the time.
This is wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong. I'm telling you the reason.
Okay,
why?
Tell me.
Because you are not able to find yourself. What is your ability? What you are going to do? You are always be pressurized on someone. We always make a decision on by someone, but in college life it's not like that.
What will you say if a man is born, that time he is not able to take the decision, right? Okay, and obviously he will be taught to take a decision, taught to take how to take decisions, and his teachers and professors, teachers and everyone teaches them to know how to take the decisions. That is wrong.
No, it's something wrong, but I am telling you reason why. Because if you want to do something in school life, also children wants to do something, like he wants to play cricket, but their parents forced to play. No, go to the schools and do these things and do that.
That's what I want to tell you. The parents are taking the command of their children. and it means they are not going to do wrong things. But in college, you're very free. You can take any decision, wrong or right. You take most of them wrong decision. Okay,
But
that
in
goes
college life,
against
we are
in future.
on
Okay,
that,
all right.
on that time you are mature. So we find like a majority. We do like a 80%, 90%. We do a good right decision.
Okay, one question I want to ask you. You're in school life. Okay, so can you tell me one thing? College life. College life. Okay, I want to ask one question from you. As he is telling, we can take all the decisions in colleges, right? That is right? Yes. Okay, so why do you not go to college every day? In the college, only 40% okay attendance is there, but in the school 90% attendance are there. Okay, अगर आप स्कूल नहीं जाते तो माँ बाप आपको जबरदस्ती भेजते हैं, but in college free हो. I'm not going to school. So what do you want to say on this?
So school is like basic gives you basic education, but college gives you exposure. Like what you get in school, you have to explore that in college. Like it gives you career opportunities and many more things. That's why we have to go college, like to explore what we learn in school.
कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं explore हो जाते हैं हम लोग, बाप माँ को सुनना बंद कर देते हैं.
So it depends on your mindset. Like there are also some students who don't do this.
मतलब जो हमने स्कूल में सीखा वही तो करते आगे, ये कहना चाह रहे हो? All right. Thank you very much for your.
My point is related to his point. He is saying that in college we are totally free and we are able to take our decision. In that way, we are taking a lot of wrong decisions. But in school life, we are in the hand of most experienced teachers and our parents who always thinks it means good for us. And in college life, we are doing. It means we are going to pub. We are. It means smoking. A lot of wrong things we are doing, and we think that it is our life.
That's the problem. That's the problem. I want to ask a question here. You said in the schools you are in safe hands.
Yeah.
Do you want to be in safe hands all the time? Can you be in safe hands in the guidance of your parents, in the guidance of your teachers? You cannot, because in the life you need to take your decision yourself. What is your answer here?
Of course, we have our own decisions, but that decision based on experience, based on knowledge. While we are in school, our decision also we are taking decision that I have to play cricket, I have to play badminton, I have to read science, I have to study about physics. But that is in the, it means on that decision there were a lot of experienced persons who always care that decision and think that it is right or it is wrong.
That's good. You want to
firstly I want to ask a question from you. You are talking about experienced person. Professor is more experienced or like primary teacher or secondary teacher?
Wow, what a nice statement. Very beautiful.
I will answer.
First let him. You want to ask a question?
No,
okay.
Firstly
question is done? All right, you tell me, answer it.
He's saying that a school teacher is more experienced or a professor. I definitely say professor is more experienced, but in that time we are at that level, we don't listen anyone's. We are think that we are the master of our mind and reading our own minds. That is problem. But
that is the problem, Babu. That's the problem. You want to answer anything? Okay. Should I go to him? All right.
I want to say that caring for a children is good. You care as a parent, as a teacher is good, but don't pressurize children to do the thing that they don't want to do the same thing.
But in the initial phase, actually, children don't know what is right, what is wrong. Yeah. Obviously, they need to be forcefully, suggested something sometimes, right? Because they must know what is right, what is wrong. In the future, they will make their future right or wrong on the basis of their education in these schools.
What is the main purpose of our life? Self-independency.
Right.
We need. We are not always in the home. We are not. We have to go to abroad and college gives that exposure. We are living in a hostel. We are living in such type of. We are making a such type of friend. We are sharing our problems, family problems, and we are getting the things that we wanted to do.
How can we learn live in the future? How can we lead our life in the future? We learn in the college.
Right.
To say that. Thank you very much.
I wanna ask from him, if I gave him a car of it means a key of a car, and I didn't learn how to drive that car, and I say that drive it, how can you drive it on your mind if you are not learning how to drive that car?
One question is there. Okay. If you give the same car to a child and he is very trained, can he drive the car?
If that
is government providing him that he can drive a car before 15 years, 18 years?
Student can't provide because of rule regulation, but they can't do accidents. But in college life, if we are thinking that we can do anything.
College life or school are very good. You mean even government
I'm talking
is not
about
allowing
mindset.
Voting rights in the school people actually. Why? If they are very good.
I answer it, but I am talking about mindset of. He is saying that in college we are free, we are taking decision on, but in school life we are in it means in pressure of our parents, our teacher. That's I'm saying that to do anything we have to get knowledge from that things
We'll first
first.
learn it, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why I said that if I give you a key of a car, then if you don't know how to drive that car, how can you drive it in your mind? You have to learn it first, and after that you can drive it. So
Okay.
in school life we are learning from our parents how to take decision, how
I
to
can understand.
how
I
to
can
solve problems
yes,
in
yes.
a pressure.
Huh.
That's why we are able to take handle pressure in college life.
Right,
That is
that's
my
good.
point.
Clap for this point. Very beautiful point. So you have any answer of this question or his point?
So if we are learning something and we don't use it, then what the purpose of learning?
Great answer, by the way. So in the school actually we study many things. क्या क्या पढ़ते पता भी नहीं चलता यार. We study English, Maths, Science, SST, पता नहीं क्या क्या. A lot of all these subjects we study in the school, but in the college we study targeted things, right? जो बनना है वही पढ़ते हैं. If you want to become doctor, we study science, right? And if you want to become engineer, we study maths and physics, right? But in school, खिचड़ी पका देते हैं यार. So school life is not better in this point, okay? College life is better. But there is a problem. There also is a big problem. What is the big problem, you know? Right? In the college, okay, when you go, how much do you study? You don't go to the teachers and professors. So we should have the new points from here, okay? Because we are just talking all the old points. I want to give the chances to everyone.
But sir, I want to counter this point.
This point, you want to
Yeah.
counter me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Because you are saying that in school we love to study all subject, but in college life we are focused on any one subject. Sir, in life we face a lot of challenges. We must know about our history, our geography. We must know about poets and writers.
Why will a doctor need to know history? Tell me.
A doctor is a doctor, but before it, he is also a parent. He can teach their students also in childhood. If they don't know about their nations, about their states, how can they teach? Then how can they guide someone else in society? So we are not only a doctor; we are the person of society. We are the it means a civilian of our country. So we must know about all subjects. So this facility is available in school. It is not available in college. That's why
Why
school
are
is
you
better than
confusing
college.
these students here? They want to make their career, and you're making them the society people. If you ask, listen to me. If you ask any student, okay, anyone, any parents, okay, कि आपका बच्चा क्या बनना चाहता, तो वो ये नहीं बोलना चाहता कि वो he wants to become a philanthropist, okay? वो ये कुछ तरह का social animal बनना, animal social प्राणी बनना चाहता है हमारा बच्चा. Nobody, let me complete first. Nobody says this. Everybody wants to say that I want to become doctor, I want to engineer, फन्ना a lot of things I want to become, right? तो इसके लिए तो आपको targeted पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा. Why you're wasting that beautiful and the great energy of child, okay? बच्चों की energy सबसे fresh होती है, and you're wasting that energy in reading useless thing, yaar.
In college life, as you say that if we target any subject, we become doctor. Okay, you become a doctor. It is right, but you not become a right person. You not become a person who has it means kindness, who has morality, who has nationalism. Doctor is a good person.
No,
Why?
as you said,
No, you are not getting my point.
No.
I am getting your point. As you said, ki doctors are not.
No, he has not completed actually. He said what? Listen to him.
I'm saying that
okay.
Doctor is very good doctor. Why? Because he is doing his schooling. In
Yeah.
school life, we learn a lot of morality, a lot of kindness. We
Yes.
learn how to respect others,
Right.
how to respect our teachers, how to respect
Okay.
our parents.
Okay.
After
okay.
that,
I
we target
understand,
that
brother.
subject.
Your point is very great. Before being doctor, engineer, any particular position you want to get in your life, before that you are Indian. You are a great person. You are a social prani, social animal, whatever you want to understand. Social creature. I don't know, but actually you have to have all the moral education. What is right, what is wrong, so that you can make your country better. Doctor बनने से पहले इंसान बनो. And for being इंसान, you need to go to school, because in the school you study everything. Right, viewers? Okay, so please understand this thing, sir. So this side, because girls are slightly mum nowadays. She is very silent. What happened to you?
Nothing.
You are still in the school. बच्चा serious हो गया? You tell me, please.
As he said, as you are telling that we learn that subject what we want to be in our future. So I want to say that we are learning from our childhood and we are taking knowledge from our childhood. That is a basic of our future. If we don't know about basics, how we will get higher?
And if you know
Okay.
only basics,
Okay, basics are
and
basic.
if you know only basics and not in the complex thing, then how can you grow in future?
If we have basic knowledge, we will always definitely get higher knowledge.
No, it's not
Okay,
like
all
that.
the
Many
basic,
It's like
those
that.
who have
Many
basic
people
knowledge, they
learn
get higher knowledge. What is that? Yeah.
Many people only do schooling, not the college life, and they do not succeed in their life.
So I want to answer Anshu Bhaiya's before statement.
Okay.
As he's saying that like in school we are learning respect and so many things like manner, moral education. Then why we are not using in college life? Then it's all about mindset, not about like school knowledge or anything else.
Yes.
It's moral education. You can get it
Anywhere.
get it in your family, in your surroundings, not from school.
Okay, it means you want to say those who don't go to school, they don't have moral knowledge. They have also moral knowledge.
Yes, they have
They have
moral
also morality, right? Okay. School is not the place where you get morality and all the knowledges. You can get anywhere, right? Understand?
Like in school there's every student who follow discipline. No, there are many students who don't follow any discipline, any rule. Then what about it?
But you know, in the school, people go with great uniform, right?
Yes,
That is
and
the
that
symbol
shows
of
that-
uniform. I mean, discipline. Okay.
So you wear uniform and it shows your discipline. It doesn't like that. Many more things like your communication, how you treat your teacher, how do you treat your classmate. These all things including in your manner and discipline.
Discipline. Sorry, madam, sir, sorry. She is my student, but today she is looking like some senior people. Okay. Can you surround? There? I'm coming, madam. I'm coming.
May I answer first?
You must answer because if I don't give you the mic, you will feel
As
uncomfortable.
I'm saying, sir, to building a house, what is more important, their base or their body?
Okay,
What
what
is
will
more
you
important
do?
then?
You will live in the base if you don't make the building.
But if you don't have base, how can you build your home? That is actually problem, na?
That's the problem.
Base is not only made by the mystery. Base is not only, you can also make your base. It's not only about school. You only make base in school. You can also make it by the learning the people, by learning the environment in society. You can
नहीं,
also
he can
make the
make
base.
actually. ताज महल और नहीं था स्कूल बला हुआ सब आपने बना लिया यार. The school is not needed, right?
I'm giving the example of this. Ki you only, what do you want in those people who don't go to the school? They don't have moral
Everybody
education.
has moral education. They have knowledge. I agree with her point actually, right?
So what's your point? about
What's your
this?
ये बच्चा बहुत देर से तरफ पड़ा है. Viewers, okay, people are fighting to speak actually today. All right.
If we go to school, if we only study in the school, we can do any job in the low position. But if we are doing only college, if we are not join the school, we are not able to do anything.
No. Viewers, actually now मुझे इस बीच से अब निकलना है. Now you want to see the original fight. I am not here to interrupt. Okay, you just watch the video completely, and the mic is in your hands. You must share the mic with your opponent as well. इज्जत से share कीजिए. Mic पे गुस्सा नहीं उतारिएगा. Right? You can share your mic. Now I am not here. I am going in the public. I am going in the crowd. Okay, so please watch complete video and share. बीच में आप भी सब ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं. I can come. Also, I am a teacher. I can come. Right? Yeah. All right. So let's start. But try to see that. Try to do what? Okay. Try to give chances to everyone. But whatever you want to do, man. No problem, man. Do it. Okay.
I want to start that I have one new point that in college there is a lot of college students, there is a lot of pressures and they attempt to
pressure makes you strong.
Let me speak now.
Yeah, speak.
Pressure makes you strong. It is fine. Pressure makes you strong. But by pressure, for taking a lot of pressure, they suicide.
Be calm.
In college,
This is a
in
debate.
college-
It's not an argument.
I know that I am in the college.
I forgot. You are in the school life. It's allowed.
It's not like that. I am talking about school. I am not in school life. I am talking about school. Okay? I don't do like that. Ki I am children. I don't have mind and do the things.
You're not children?
I am not much more children. I have my own
I
ideas.
counter you, give me a chance, then I show you what is the.
Yeah, so I want to tell in college life there's a suicide rate per year the 27%, and just because of anxiety, lot of pressures, and lot of distraction and many more things. But it's not happen in school life.
Okay.
Who tell you it's not happen in school life? There are many students who from 10th, 12th, they are doing suicide.
Children attempt suicide.
Yes, they are attempting suicide.
Then go and check it on Google. What is the ratio of school and college? If you compare the student who is suicide in school and in college, then find it which is increasable. In school life we are doing suicide, or in college life we are doing suicide.
As you said previous, school is the foundation of everything.
Yeah.
Then what you are doing?
School is foundation of our career, to building our career. It is not foundation of doing anxiety and depression.
You are talking about foundation, then it's all about.
Listen,
you are only separating the thing, and it's not like that.
In school life we don't have any type of pressure in our head that we have to grow in our career, we have to take we have to do job.
Tell me one of the
pressure is not good, not bad. It is depends on situation. In which situation we are doing what type of pressure.
Pressure makes you strong.
Pressure makes you strong, of course, but in according to situation. If I pressure that if I don't get IS job, then I do suicide, it is right?
What do you mean to say? College life pressurizes to
Of
make
course,
IS?
of course, of course. In college life,
in school life it pressurize, our teachers and our parents pressurize. But in college life we are independent, we are free.
That's why you are independent. That's why you are serving alcohol to everyone. So you are going pub, you are doing, you are playing cards, you are doing everything that is not happen in our
individual. It's not individual. Please hold this, okay, and hold it. Right now, please.
As you're talking about alcohol and this type of thing, nowadays school students are also doing this type of things. Then what about it?
Like student who is providing alcohol in school.
Kaushik. Yeah, you want to reply?
Sure.
Yeah, I want to reply. Who is providing alcohol in school? Teachers are not allowing this thing.
They are not doing it in school. They are doing outside the school, but
It is not in school. They are doing outside the school. It is not in school, lah.
But they are the students of the school.
College students, they are doing in the college.
No, they are doing
How
outside
can
of the
you
college.
say? No, it is not like that. They are doing in college.
You see that?
Yes,
Where?
in college. I cannot expose college name.
You are in school.
He's doing well. That's good.
She is in school and she
Yeah.
is in college.
How can you see
I
that?
am talking about school. I am not in school.
About school first, understand it. So in school we have only one uniform that denotes our unity, our diversity. But in college life we have a lot of dress. Still we are confused at what type of dress we can wear, because in college life we wanna look like a model. We look like a person who is in shorts, who is it means doing a lot of things. But in school life we are in discipline and we take our
talk about unity and diversity.
Everyone wants
Unity and diversity. What is the meaning of diversity? Diversity means new things, new place, new things.
diversity means new cultures, but
Yeah, new culture. And clothes denote culture. And if you wear a cloth, then it denotes a culture.
But if in school life we are wearing uniform, that's the symbol of unity. But in the college we are wearing a fancy dress, and that's why we are not.
Means any person who is wearing fancy dress is it?
in schools we have same uniform that show our similarity and that show our unity. As he say ki we show our diversity. Okay, on the name of diversity you are showing to others, not we have lot of money, I'm wearing this thing, we are very rich,
No,
and we
please,
are
please,
like
yeah.
we are making them feel
I'll come.
uncomfortable
Okay. All right,
in front
I'll
of us
come.
because you have a lot of money and you are wearing the type of clothes.
what about
Okay, excuse me.
What about poor people?
Public want to participate actually. Please, you tell me what do you want to say?
Uniform also shows discipline.
Oh, uniform.
Like if I talk about school, so there is same uniform, there is no distraction. Like if I talk about college life, there are many fancy dresses, different dresses. That time they are very distracted. Oh my god,
She's looking so good,
yeah, they are distracted in this way. So
Because this time
Eh.
we are mature. Oh my
That's
god,
why
on the
we
name
are
of mature we can do anything.
Mature
No,
people want to
yeah.
distract.
On the name
Wearing different dresses, it doesn't mean anything. It's look like they are clothes. We can wear that.
Yeah, they can wear their choice, right? It's
Yes.
okay, we live in
and you want to underestimate the poor people. You want to underestimate the poor people. It means that.
New people. Don't fight, madam. Don't fight. It's not your house. Okay?
Sir, in the college we are dividing the students in the group that we have wearing a perfect dress, so we are rich and you are poor. This is the point.
मैं हट जाता हूँ भाई लो.
As she said कि in college life people wearing dress to show off. you know, in school life, you have not fully developed mindset, so you want to show off. Like in many things, you want to show off your friend. Ki I have iPhone, I have this thing. But in college life, you are.
Hey, hello, mister. In school, no one has iPhone. Understand it. In school life, no one has iPhone. Okay.
But you want
it
to
is
show
in
off.
college
No,
life.
but you want-
Children, how it means show off to anyone. In childhood, we don't have a lot of that type of mindset.
No, your parents' money. You have stolen the things, and you want to show off your friend.
How can children show off their friends? In college life, we are showing it to others.
In college life, we are mature enough. You know, we
So
don't want
leave
to
it.
show off.
This point is not. It
Okay,
means
okay.
an answer.
If you have no answer, then leave it.
I have a question. What about poor people? Is this answer? You have answer of this question?
Okay.
You don't have answer of this question.
I have answer.
But I wanna raise another point.
As he's saying that, like he's saying right, like in college life, as you say, we are showing off by our dress, but in our school life, we are showing by our things. Like we buy new geometry box, then we show our students. And you know what? The children get offended very easily. They feel poor. Like if we want to show off to them, they feel insecure very easily. Other than college students, you know.
You know.
Yes. I want
You
to
know?
reply. I want to reply.
Reply?
Now. I want to reply.
Reply her.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's a big difference between iPhone and geometry. He is talking about iPhone. You are talking
But
about
for
geometry.
for a little children, this is a very big thing, you know.
Big things, yeah.
Like geometry box, bag. This is a very big thing for them.
छोटी चीजों में खुश रहते
Yeah,
हैं बच्चे.
in schools we have like bags, and we are doing like we are very disciplined, and we are showing that. But in college we can bring anything, like we have that type of purse and many more things that we are showing this thing. No, I am from this family, my background is this, and
No one can go to a student and say that, oh, I am from
you
this
know what?
background.
In college, you have that liberty. You can like go with full makeup, and you can do anything on the college.
Yeah, full
You are
makeup.
showing
This
that
also is not giving make
You
you
are showing
indisciplined.
that also.
No, full makeup and this type of thing. It's not make you indisciplined or anything else.
It's not make you indisciplined. I know that.
Do you not use makeup?
Yes, I'm not using in schools.
Okay. In schools, you want to use, but
In school, I'm not using, but in school,
I'm
it is
coming.
not.
When you go to college, you will use.
very
No.
selective. Are you very selective? Okay. In the school, you won't wear the makeup, and in the college, you will wear the makeup. What something, right?
Actually, as Nafisa said, ki makeup and ear, as Anshuba said, ki earring. So where is cultural program? Of course, that time is
It is loud.
you said ki, so that time they are wear a earring and they apply a makeup now. So why are you saying?
Oh, okay. What is that? Why are you doing this? Let's be this makeup wala cheez you like. I know. Makeup wala cheez she likes.
As I said, Nafisa said, in a school, college in a school student also influence the college student, and she also wants to apply the makeup.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को लड़कियां मेकअप के अगेंस्ट है आज, and I am very happy कि they do not like makeup, they want original face, okay, and so that's fine. So now from today we will see the real face of the woman. आज से लड़कियों का सही चेहरा दिखेगा, right? Because now they are not
Okay, in
makeup.
in
And
this,
makeup from India. बताइए क्या कहना
So
है?
now they are talking about कि many colleges are allowed different dresses, but I think when your college is good, then they will also allow only formal dress.
Formal dress, okay. So बड़ी please select good colleges, okay. In the good college का क्या definition होता है भाई बता दो जरा.
It means कि they provide disciplines and
They charge a lot of money also. तो गरीब आदमी कहाँ जाएगा बाबू?
sir, it's depend on you कि you have
मतलब अपना घर बेच दें हम?
no sir, but you should choose best college.
Cheap cost, there are facility very well.
Right.
Who said?
Who said? हमें नहीं पता ये बोल रहा बाबू. He is telling.
I think government provide me college or lots of college, but you need a qualify examination.
Okay, you need
So-
to qualify the examination. Entrance
Yeah.
exam निकालना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
From this side, anyone?
स्कूल लाइफ इज बेटर, सो व्हाई चिल्ड्रन आर मतलब बच्चे स्कूल जाने से
English में बोलिए.
जाने के सो ओके सो व्हाई चिल्ड्रन आर afraid to go to a school in her childhood.
या ये बात सही बोल रहा बाबू। एक दिन बचपना हमारे पे नहीं गए स्कूल, 4 लड़का पकड़ के ले गया, पैर 4 टांग के लेके गया स्कूल। You know the childhood stuff you don't want to go to. Anyone else want to ask?
Yeah, I want to answer.
Wait. You are in panel. I want to ask from these people.
Children are not interested in go to a school in her childhood. They want to enjoy their life like playing games, outdoor games and indoor games, and children are not wants to go to school in her childhood. Why?
Okay. Now we need to understand the timing is also very important. You know, हमारे शहर में लोग को रील्स देखने की आदत है, तो they complete their life in reels। और उसको ये नहीं पता चल रहा है कि रील्स देख करके 100 रील्स देख करके बात बराबर ही पड़ता है, 100 मिनट हो जाता है। इससे बढ़िया यही 40 मिनट का वीडियो देख करके अपनी ज़िंदगी बना लीजिए, कुछ सीख लीजिए, राइट। सो प्लीज़ हैव पेशेंस एंड वॉच लॉन्ग वीडियोज एज वेल, बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू रन अ लाइफ, मजाक नहीं चल रहा है कि शॉर्ट्स में जिंदगी चल जाएगी। सो वॉच कंप्लीट वीडियो एंड शेयर इट टू एवरीवन एंड टेल देम टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टू अंडरस्टैंड विच वन इज बेटर, स्कूल लाइफ इज बेटर और स्कूल कॉलेज अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। प्लीज वेट, अभी ये लोग और लड़ेंगे, राइट। दे हैव टू रेज न्यू पॉइंट्स एंड शो ऑल द एटीट्यूड दैट यू हैव टुडे, एंड जो ओरिजिनल एटीट्यूड वो दिखाइए। ओरिजिनल में लड़ते ऐसा कच्चा बोल दिया बे, show that attitude in English also. You can show that attitude, right? Okay. And Mr. Anshu is holding the mic like the gun.
In school life we are learning in class, but in college life we can learn in library, but it is not possible. You can learn in library from a school foundation.
Can you please tell me what is the timing of college?
There is no fixed timing in college.
It's a fixed time.
But in school life we have fixed time.
Professor has a fixed time, that is 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. But school sometimes.
Okay. I want to ask one thing from you.
Right.
Is it possible or not we can learn in library while we are in college? Is it possible or not?
Yeah, is it possible?
But one second, I want to complete it. Very good thing. But I am saying one point here.
Right.
Is it possible if you are not going to school we can learn A, B, C, D?
No, it's not possible.
Okay, done. That is my point. Okay,
that's the point.
It's not the thing. We only learn in ABCD in school life.
My point has done here.
In school life, we have the horror of exam. If we get 80% in the school life, we have horror that what will teacher said, what will our parents said. We have to bring 90%, we have to bring 95%, we have the courage. But in the college life,
इसी वजह से बच्चा लेता है डिसीजन गलत उल्टा सीधा। 90% लाना है, 100% लाना है। Don't show the pressure, don't give the pressure, because nowadays it is not allowed in the school to beat the children. Okay, so how can you give the pressure? This is wrong actually.
But sir, he
is pressurizing the children.
But in the college, the students,
there is no pressure. He's free.
Sir, he brings.
Wait. You want to speak?
Yeah, sir.
मतलब मम्मी wants to answer the beta. Great, clap for this thing. Beautiful. अब तुम जवाब दो, आप बात काट के दिखाओ। इसी फेवरेट, ये तो गलत बात है, ये गलत, this is very wrong. ये तो गलत है, बिल्कुल गलत है, very wrong.
Sir, I would like a student life.
Very sad.
Sir, because she is a teacher in a primary school, so she will like school.
Understand? Yes, please.
I think, sir, a school life is better because school gives us knowledge and develops our skills, and it is a most important part of our life, because child life is I live that time no any burden, social burden, or no any fear. I enjoy.
Okay.
I enjoy a school life.
Okay.
So school life is better than college life.
Nice. But दूसरों के टिफिन में लूट लेते हैं हम.
That's the fun of school life.
In the school,
sir,
we
that
attack
is the
the tiffin. हम wait करते घंटी बजा and we who brings the that? This is very good, na? It's very funny.
Sir, that's the fun.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. All that.
One of the most important thing that is in college, that is hostel life. You never feel such type of this kind of things in a school life. Right. In hostel life, we are living in a room. We are sharing our family problems. We are overcome of any problem by our friends, and we know the real meaning. We know that how to like cook the food. We know the everything that is necessary in a real life. That is necessary in life. But in school life, you can't experience these things. What is your point?
So I want to reply your first question that as you say ki in schools we have a lot of pressure. So we want to get 99%, 98% and this all thing. But in schools we don't have pressure for making like a future for getting job. But in college we have like a lot of pressure for fulfill our family as well. We want to
because
get
of that pressure we make our career.
yes, because of that
And
pressure
you just want to grow in your life.
we because of that pressure we attempt suicide as well.
मेरी बिल्ली मेरे पे म्याऊं देख लिया ना pressure. This is very sad. She is attacking me as
I'm not
well.
attacking you.
Like
I also wanna one thing, yeah.
as you said, in school life we have pressure of get 90%, 80%. That also got effect on the health of children, mental health of the children. That's
wanna
how, you
answer
know
his
what?
point.
That's very horror than suicide.
Right. That's very good point actually. Right.
Okay. First, I wanna answer his point. He's saying that in college we are enjoying hostel life and we are enjoying how to cook anything and we are learning that thing. But in school life we are feeling our mother's love. While we come from our school, we go to our mother's lap and we sleep on that lap. But that is not possible in college life.
You always want to stay in your home. You don't want to go outside.
Of course, we want to go outside, but
You have to experience this kind of a thing.
But mother's love is only feelable in school life. While we come
can
from our
understand
school, we
now.
go to on mother's lap.
Just what mother wants. What mother wants.
Just tell
Mother wants ki his bacha should be always in the lap.
Just tell me one thing. Who doesn't want to grow in his life?
Everyone.
Who doesn't want to go in?
Everyone wants to grow. Everyone wants to grow.
Then all will go to college. But here's the point: is school life is best.
Okay, so we need to conclude here. We need to conclude here. If anyone has any point, they can obviously share it. Otherwise, I'm just winding up the beautiful series of debates. Okay, and in SMB, debate happens like this. Okay, so we must enjoy this beautiful video and we must share this beautiful video with other people so that they also should enjoy it. Right? Okay. Thank you for being with me forever. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Okay.
If you are not doing schooling, it means you are stupid. If you are not doing college, it is only mistake.
Many people who doesn't do schooling. What do you mean to say they are stupid?
All they are stupid. Yes.
Oh wow!
How can you say that?
It means here many parents, here many of the children has parents, and they are not educated. They are not get education in school. They are stupid.
If they are not
what do you mean to
educated,
say?
they are not in college
They are
also.
school. They are stupid.
If they are not, no,
Firstly,
I'm not talking about
yeah,
that.
you are talking
I'm
about
talking
that.
about
Why
who
you are
has
diverting
not-
your point?
I'm
Why
talking
you are
about
diverting
who
your
has not
point?
done schooling, they are only doing college. If they are only doing
What you
college,
said?
they are stupid.
If they don't do schooling, they are stupid.
They are not doing schooling.
Stupid.
Oh wow! What do you want to say? If any person doesn't do
they must
schooling, they are
study
stupid.
They have to do the.
You have no right to say these things. I am telling you.
That's the foolish of you.
No, it's not a foolish. Many people.
Do you wanna become a police person? Do you wanna become a police person in your society?
No, I don't want to
It is
become a
very
police
dangerous
person.
for our society.
No,
That is must have
if
to
any
study
person,
about
if
that.
any person doesn't do schooling, that means he is a stupid person.
Yeah.
If that
Wow,
How can you
what
say
you
that?
are-
Like
You are
there
telling
are
the
many.
wrong thing and.
Like how can you say that those who are not doing school they are stupid? Like there are many people in our society, in our surrounding, they didn't do school and they are stupid.
What do you wanna? You wanna society, educated society, or you wanna fully society?
Of
What do
course,
you want?
of course, I want an educated society.
Then if you want educated society, then it is fixed that if anyone didn't study, it means they are foolish and they are very stupid for our society.
But maybe their life condition is different. Then what will do?
Let me speak. That if you are not doing school, so how can you go in college? Because school is a basic thing. You have to go to school, and if you are not going to school, so how will you get college?
It's not. Please give me mic. I want to reply your question. You are saying that if a person doesn't go to the school, then it is a stupid person.
Yeah, of course.
Of course, he is a foolish person and he is a stupid person. What do you want to say?
What do you want to?
School
I want
is a
to
basic
say
thing.
that. I want to show that.
Without joining
I
school,
want.
how will you
I
go
want
to
like
college?
a educated society. But if any person who doesn't have a background to do schooling, then he is not a stupid person.
How can you build a society without education?
Let me
Yeah.
talk. if they want to study, there is a government school that is free of cost. The admission
But
fee is not.
If any condition, if they don't get education, then he is not a stupid person.
That's the something different. But
No, it's not a something different.
No, it's not like that. It's not like that. You are telling those who you want to become a good person in your society. So you know what? School is a basic thing. You have to go to school if you want to get in college.
For becoming a good person, you should have to get moral education, and you don't get it from school.
In schools, we have moral education. In school, we taught moral education.
But you didn't only get moral education from school. You can get it from surrounding, from your family.
Yeah, because
so those who didn't go to school, they are not stupid.
It is not like that. Those who are not, they are stupid.
No, they are not. You can't say anyone is stupid because you don't know the background of that people. Maybe they are not able to complete their education. There are some family conditions. There are many more things.
So, what is the use of government school?
Government school didn't provide that much good education.
How can you say like that? Government school is not providing.
Because I saw so many students. They are from government school. They didn't go to school every day.
They are going.
Those who are in college,
They are going government school for eating khichdi only.
Yeah, they are going college for doing only.
Yeah, I'm telling you, they are
college just to
They are going school for eating
How
khichdi
many
only.
times you are going college? Are you going college daily?
you are wrong. They not go only for eat khichdi.
Oh, you mean to say they go to with the chokha also?
No, they go to school in.
Yeah, it's like that. Majority of the children who goes to the government school in Bihar, it's like that.
And they teach you how to survive your life, and this they teach you basic line in school.
What do you mean to say? You don't learn the basic thing from the society and your parents?
Of course, learn.
Let's always come
Okay.
side by side.
Please
Yeah,
listen to me.
yeah, always.
Without a study in school,
Yeah.
how can you go college?
Yeah, it's not a matter. School life is necessary, but good or bad. It's a matter of good or bad. Which is better,
It's
good or
depend
bad?
on you. If you have discipline, then you can.
School life is not come present to the college life.
How can you say? How can you say? First, you are saying that government school is not good. How can you say it? In today's era, there are a lot of teachers who passed BPSC examination. First, they complete their education. After that, they pass CTET, and after that, pass the BPSC, and after they selected as a teacher. How can you say that they are not eligible?
But they lost their ability in front of those people who is only coming in school to the.
What do you think? The person who has not done DLED, he has more ability how to teach a student? In school life, a lot of teachers, they are doing DLED. In DLED, they are learning how to teach a student. But in private teacher, they are not learning that type of things.
Social media, WhatsApp, there are many viral videos that government teachers, majority of government teachers are not teaching a student very well.
Viral video is from college side also. They are dancing with their students on a stage. It is education.
In college, they are providing farewell parties. They are inviting a lot of
They have experience to teach a student.
Yeah.
But the government school, you see, he not teach all days. He
Why
also.
are you telling this only government school? There is private school also. Why are you telling this?
But he charge lot of money. He charge lot of money.
Government is charging a lot of money.
When, yes, some people not have money.
But some people have.
You think you have lots of money?
You think you accept that you have to study?
No, you have lots of money. Huh? You have lots of money. Huh?
Yeah.
Share this money.
You are depending on her. You are depending on her. You are depending on her.
No, but I don't have money. Lot of money.
So you can earn money now. Why you are depending on her?
I think.
Okay. As you talk about private school, then what about, as you say, poor school go to Sarkari school? Then what will do?
I'm not talking about private and I'm not talking about.
They are talking about.
I think you also.
Sania is talking.
Read government schools. Yani you are stupid.
I'm not talking about those who are not going. Those who are in government, so they are stupid. You are not. You are only talking about rubbish thing. It is not.
Oh, sorry for that.
All right.
I think we can